I asked ChatGPT for finance advice. Got 5 tips that actually saved me $400 this month. Number 3 shocked me completely. I was broke by day 20 every month. Tried budgeting apps, read finance books, nothing stuck. So I asked ChatGPT one simple question. Tip 1. The 24-hour rule. Before any purchase over $50, wait 24 hours. Impulse buying dropped by 60% for me. Tip 2. Automate 10% to savings first. Not what's left over, what's left over. ChatGPT said, treat savings like a bill you must pay. Tip 3. This one surprised me. Track spending by Feel Not apps. ChatGPT said, ask yourself daily, do I feel stressed about money today? If yes, dig into why. Sounds weird, but it worked. Tip 4. Cancel one subscription monthly, even small ones. I canceled 3 streaming services, saved $87 per month instantly. Tip 5. The 30-day list. Want something expensive? Write it down. Check in 30 days. Still want it? Buy it. 65% of my list disappeared naturally. These 5 tips saved me $412 in month 1. No complicated spreadsheets. No finance degree needed. Just asked ChatGPT and actually followed through. Try even one tip this week. Comment which one you'll start with. And if you want the exact ChatGPT prompt I used, it's in the description.